Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P40 Lite 5G, and today I'll show you a couple tweaks and tricks you can do on this device. And we're going to begin with the dark mode, which can be accessed through the notification panel, quick and easy. Simple toggle right over here. And there we go, device goes into dark mode, and that also includes default apps, as you can see. So messages, dialer, settings, a majority of the default apps are supported by this. Now, apps that you will install from the store may not be supported. That is primarily dependent on the developer, if they implemented it or not, so keep that in mind. Now, moving on to the next one, it's just going to be the screen resolution. By default set to smart, but we can change it up by going under the display and brightness, screen resolution, and disabling the smart resolution and changing it to either low or high, which is either 1080p or 720p. So choose whichever one you want. By dropping it down lower, the text becomes a little bit bigger, a little bit more spread out, and also the resolution is, well, obviously lower. That will also then in turn give you a little bit more battery, because the processor doesn't need to work as hard as it did need to work for the 1080p, but the battery gain won't be anything super significant. You won't go from, for instance, 1 day to 2 days of battery or something like that. It'll be probably like a couple hours maybe at best. So you can select which one you want. Now moving on to the next one, it's just going to be the side menu. So you access it by basically going from the side. You have this 3 or 4 squares, so you drop it, and from here there's just a bunch of apps that are by default placed in here, but you can tap on the plus sign right here and add additional ones if you want to, like so, then tap on done. And what you can do is either just grab them and drag them over, that will move them into full screen. Again, you can go back, grab another one, and for instance move it either on top of this one or to split screen with it. And let's get another one, so I can grab the, looks like I can't for some reason, there we go. So you simply tap on the third one, and as you can see, this will now got this. As you can see, we have now 3 different apps running. Let me quickly disable dark mode, maybe that will look a little bit better. So 3 different apps running at the same time, and one is a kind of a window overlaid on top of everything, and then 2 additional ones side by side. So if you're wondering what the purpose of, for instance, split screen might be, probably the best case would be for YouTube, but because this device doesn't really have Play services, then, well, that's a bummer. So moving on to the next one, it's going to be the animation speed. So we can change the animation speed in, well, a little bit less normal way. So by default there is no settings for it, but we can go into About Phone and find build number, tap on that 7 times, and from here, if you have some kind of protection, you will need to confirm it. This will then in turn enable developer mode, and from here we're going to go into system and update and go into the developer options, and from here scroll down, whoops, a little bit too far. There should be right there, transition animation scale, animation duration scale, and window animation scale. Now each one of them corresponds to a different animation, which you can change how quick it goes through it. So for instance, if we change it to 0.5, this will in turn basically double the speed of animations, making them half of the speed, I mean twice as fast, making it take basically half of the time it did take them before. Now we can also make them completely be disabled. So by disabling the animations, things like, for instance, going home, if I could actually get that, there we go. As you can see, there is basically no animations and everything just pops in and out instantly. So there's no like sliding or fading animations, it's just instant. Now to some people it might look a little bit jarring, but some people will like it because it's just faster. And if you prefer to have it faster but also still animated, you can just go for the half speed. It's basically the best of both worlds. And moving on to my last option, it's gonna be the app drawer. Now by default it's HUAWEI, so it comes with this Apple-like look, trying to mimic, I guess, the most successful companies. So we have all apps smack in the middle of our home screen, making it a little bit cluttered. So let's join the Android side and go into the settings, and then home screen and wallpaper, home screen style, and just select a drawer, and bam, now we're back in Android how it's supposed to be, with the app drawer containing all our apps neatly organized alphabetically, and also the ability to remove most of the clutter from the screen, or the home screen precisely, because let's be honest, majority of us won't be using things like support, and majority of us don't benefit from seeing it on our home screen. So now we can basically completely remove it. But this will conclude all the tweaks and tricks that I wanted to share, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.